Right, studying it very closely, that looks to me just there like there's a little bit of wire coming up, which I think is the bit that's broken off. So I'm going to solder this one onto there. While I'm waiting for the soldering iron to warm up, I'll just put these back in. Yes, I remember now why I was saying there was probably an on-off switch on the battery, because just here, I don't know if we can see it on the camera, it actually says on and off, and there's no switch there, so it must have been on the battery. Right, how's that soldering iron coming on? Not ready quite yet. Okay, that looks warm enough. Come on. Do my little helper there. Right, see if we can get that on without all the others dropping off. You're probably not going to see what I'm doing. Not my neatest bit of soldering. Try and support it. Yeah. Okay. So we'll pop this back together with the circuit board in place. I'll do that. I've got to move that out the way. Right, receiver board back in place. Don't like the way it's only one screw holding it in, but I suppose it's all tucked away inside here. Which way does this go? Must be that way. Yep. Right, back together. So we've got all the red LEDs. Got blue on that side and blue on this side. That blue one's not coming on. So I would guess the blue LEDs have died. So say they're in the same circuit, and I didn't notice any wires hanging off in there. So that'll be a matter of taking the wheels off and replacing those LEDs, which I'm not going to do just now. I suppose we'd have a quick look on the floor. There's obviously a technique to driving this. Because it's got no grip here either. Yeah, I think we got the rough idea anyway. Yeah, that'll do. It works. Back together. But I can never give it away because of that battery I've had to make for it, because it's a non-standard construction. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.